Yep, Chicken done did it again. He's on his way over here to show me his new whip. But this time, the white flag is up. I give up. I quit. Sick. Look at that. We got that dude over there making noise. Sometimes if something sticks up, you gotta be ready to like stop the machine and get it out of the way so the laser hit doesn't hit it. Yeah, go ahead, hit it. Woo! Hey, but you don't just get to make these for no reason. Once you get 2 of them, you get one of these, and now you're on your second one, huh? It's your 3rd rolls? Oh shit, I thought it was only 2. And then... Can I touch it?
Hell yeah.
What's this cost right here?
The chain was 100. I'm not sure what that was.
Those diamond L's?
Oh, those diamond L's.
Diamond L's? Diamondoids?
Yeah.
We got the steel here though, man. This
Yeah,
is
it's the exact same size.
It is, huh? That's total guess too.
It's a 25 edition.
Yeah, this is the Rolls-Royce edition.
Yeah.
Sick. Damn, that thing is... From where I'm standing right here, that thing is blinging so hard.
This thing got some weight to it, huh? Res ride.
Yeah, sick as hell. Look at this. What is it, 2025?
25.
All right, I got to figure this out now. Top button.
Black badge, Series 2.
Black badge Series 2. Oh, shit, look at that. Black badge Series 2. Quick little walk around. All right, let's get this here. That smell. Got the suicide doors, of course. Damn. You can't really see it, but it's got the starlight roof. If it was dark, you'd probably see it pretty good. Can I sit in here?
Hell yeah.
I'll try not to get too dirty. All right, where's the on button at?
Right here.
Oh. Hey, the other rolls, I like the luxurious wood paneling, but I like this a lot better.
Yeah, me too.
Now, is that a screen over there too?
No.
Looks like it's all lit up.
Oh, what's lit up?
Of course, we got Snoop Dogg bumping. Sick as hell, chicken. Couple little trinkets at the shop. Are you really going to turn those into a medallion, or one of them into a medallion?
Going to Sharif.
Oh my god, I can't wait to see that. That'd be sick. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry about that. Damn. V12?
Yeah.
Sick. Just a short little walkthrough, little walk around. Congratulations, chicken, badass. You deserve that shit, man.
Thank you.
Joey, sick as hell. Rolls-Royce 2025, black edition, black badge edition.
Yep.
500 G's. Actually, I don't want to short you on that other 30. 530. Hey, when are we lowering it?
Now.
I got the heat. I got the torch.
Heat it up.
I'm gonna heat up the springs. Put some U255s on that bad boy. 26s. We're out of here.